All right, welcome to day 55. I'm John McLauchlan, and we are promoting Clickbank products using myleadgensecret. And we've been doing this case study since the 1st of January. It's currently now the 25th of February. And we're going to see how much revenue we can generate in the first quarter, whether we're going to keep promoting the same product and see how much revenue we can generate in the 12 months. So it's going to be quite interesting. Doing quite well so far. So if you look at my Clickbank account, okay, currently from the first, we've got 11,304 hops, 241 impressions. We've made another sale today, so it was 22 yesterday, it's now 23. We've increased our conversion rate from 8.5 average to 9.5 average, and gross earnings 492.66. So let me just go over to the dashboard. Just have a look at this. Look at the old style reporting, because this can sometimes gives us a slightly better overview. So we had a good week, ending the 13th of the 2nd, 91.25. We've sort of been maintaining this $73 on average. So we had this sale, then we had two sales. We had a gap on Saturday, because we usually do on Saturday, and then today another sale came in. So it's not too bad. So overall, for February, we're kind of almost doubling our revenue, which isn't too bad, and I want to just see if I can get that up even more in the days that we've got left in February. So that's not too bad at all. And what I did, as you know, I changed over from sending the Clickbank emails to sending emails that have been proven to convert, which is making the difference. Okay, so that's good. So myleadgensecret. Okay, if you go to the card up here, okay, this is day 0. And it tells you everything about myleadgensecret. It tells you how to get set up properly. It tells you how you can get account, how you can get multiple accounts, and it is really straightforward. So if you want to do this, and this is one of the real simple strategies that you can use to make money online and to build your skills, go and get yourself an account right now. If you have a look at the description below, there we go. So what? Oh, sorry, it's the wrong one. There we go. So if you look at the description below, you'll see a link here where it says click here to join myleadgensecret. Okay, so click that. That's going to take you through to my page, and there's real clear instructions on how to get your first account. Okay, so get an account, get a Clickbank account, follow along, and you'll make money. Okay, simple as that. Do that. Okay, so we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. I'm going to go and get our affiliate link. So we want e-business and e-marketing. We've been promoting live chat jobs, okay, because we've ranked it high to low. So the most popular and least popular. Okay, most popular is live chat jobs. So I'm going to go on to the promote. Click on the affiliate nickname, McLauchlan. Tracking ID is 1ML2501. No, 02. Okay, click on create hop link. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go over to a notepad, and I'm going to paste that in. There we go. There's our encrypted link. Tracking ID 1ML2502. So we're going to go over to myleadgensecret, and we're going to go and click on mailing system. And I said you get 100 to 200 leads every single day. If you don't quit, then your leads will build up. Okay, and currently I've got 317,600 leads in this one account. So when I go to the email that I sent, this is an email that I sent on the 28th of the 1st, and it created a sale. Okay, so again, it's proven to convert. I'm going to paste that in, and it'll get all this text. Yeah, I need to load in the email from yesterday. Okay, Control V, and we'll adjust the spacing. So just click your delete key, okay, then shift and double enter, and it'll make it look a bit, it's making the paragraphs a bit bigger, makes it look a bit easier, makes it a bit easier to read. And essentially we want to make everything as easy as possible for our list to read it. If you put those little barriers in the way, then they won't read it, it'll just click away. Okay. Alright, let's have a quick look. Oh yeah, I want the subject in there. And we'll grab the URL. This is the encrypted URL. Copy that. I'll come over to just going to highlight that. I think you might notice that I'm talking a bit quieter today. It's because I pulled a muscle in my side, and it feels like I've got a sword going all the way through my side, all the way from the back. It's difficult to breathe. It feels like a cracked rib, but it's not a cracked rib. It's just a torn muscle from coughing too much. So apologies for the lack of animation this evening. Right, there we go. So that's done. Okay, make sure we've got no other. Yeah. So read here to learn more. So I want a link on there. So I'm going to bold that there, and this is going to be 1A. Okay, right, let's go on perfect timing. Let's go and preview it. Look good. Okay, let's click on the read more. Hop equals McLauchlan, that's okay. And of course the other one will be doing the same, so that's good to go. Hop equals McLauchlan. Right, we'll close that and we'll send email. So once that's been sent, I'll grab the source code, click anywhere, Control A, C. I'll just right click and paste that in. Make a little space. Make a little space at the top there. And I'll grab my subject line. And just paste it in there. Okay, so click Control A and C, that copies everything to the clipboard. And what we're going to do, we're going to go and log out, and we'll go and log into account number 2, mailing system, and select all leads, paste that in. So I'm going to change this 1 to a 2, backspace 2, there we go, and this one, do the same, but this hasn't got the A in it, so it's going to click the top link. We know the top link's going to be A, and that's it, good to go. Perfect timing. Do a bit of a preview, have a look, all looks nice, looks really nice actually, I like that, and send email. Right, just repeat the process, what, 3 more times? Account number 3, my own system, select all leads, right click and paste. Source, Control AV, click on source again, take out this, three, and this one, 3 again. Perfect timing, and send email. Alright, account log out. Oh, sorry, I'm going to go and log into account number 4. My own system. Select all leads. Paste subject in. I always find when you get into a flow, this is why I sort of talk to you when I do it. It's nice to get into a flow. Because this really is the easiest flow I've used. Simple, straightforward. You've only got to copy once. Right, so account number 4, 4A, and then this one, just 4. Perfect timing. Let's give it a quick preview. Have a look. All good to go. Send. Good. One more account to go. Number 5 account, and you want mail system. Select all leads. Right click and paste that in. Source, Control AV, and go and take that out, and just change our links from 1 to 5. Perfect timing. Send email. That's it. All done. Right, let's go and have a quick look at the reporting. So 23 sales, 9.54, pretty much the same as last time. So hopefully tomorrow, certainly we're going to break $500 this week or next week, so that'll be nice. So yeah, good to go. That's it. Simple system, really straightforward. And if you follow along and do the same as what I've been doing, you'll make sales as long as you're consistent. That's the main thing. You've got to be consistent with this. And remember what I always say, it's not just about getting results, it's about building up those skills, because you will build up your skills that you can transfer into sales funnels and all sorts of things that involve copy. So you're going to build up some powerful skills. Anyway, if you got some value from that, please hit the subscribe button. My finger's gone. The subscribe button just below there. And if you got some value from this or any of the videos on this channel, hopefully you have, and hopefully you got some value from this case study. There's more coming as well. Give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Okay, any questions you've got, drop me a comment below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.